A small metal box standing quietly in the corner of a building. It doesn't talk, it doesn't move, and it definitely doesn't look like a business empire. Yet every single day, millions of people walk up to this machine, insert money, press a button, and walk away with a smack or a drink. But what most people don't realize is that behind this simple machine lies a multi-billion-dollar global industry. An industry that runs 24 hours a day, without employees, without supervision, and without closing hours. Welcome to the hidden business of vending machines. And today, we're opening another file from the Wealth Files. The billion-dollar industry. The global vending machine industry is massive. In fact, vending machines generate over $25 billion every year worldwide. There are millions of machines installed in places like airports, shopping malls, hospitals, schools, train stations, office buildings, basically anywhere people need quick access to food, drinks, or small products. And the reason vending machines are everywhere is simple. They are one of the simplest and most automated business models ever created. Unlike traditional stores, vending machines don't need cashiers, salespeople, or store managers. They just sit there, quietly making money. But how exactly do these machines make millions? Let's break it down. The basic business model. The vending machine business works on a very simple concept. Buy products cheap, sell them at a higher price. For example, imagine a vending machine operator buys a bottle of soda in bulk for about 15 rupees. That same bottle is sold in the machine for 40 rupees. That means the operator makes 25 rupees profit on one bottle. Now, that might not sound like much at first, but now imagine the machine sells 100 bottles and snacks in a day. That's 2,500 rupees profit per day from just one machine. Multiply that by 30 days, and suddenly that single vending machine can generate 75,000 rupees per month in revenue. Now imagine owning 10 machines, or even 50 machines. Now you can see how operators start building serious income streams. But here's the real secret. The real money is not in the machine. It's in the location. Location is everything. A vending machine in a quiet building might only sell a few items a day, but a vending machine in the right location can make hundreds of sales daily. That's why vending machine operators fight to secure high-traffic locations. Some of the best locations include airports, train stations, hospitals, schools, corporate offices, gyms, and shopping malls. Think about it. When you're waiting at an airport, you don't want to walk far just to buy a drink. You want something quick and convenient. And that's exactly where vending machines win. Convenience. People are willing to pay more money for convenience, which is why a bottle of water that costs $10 in a store might cost $30 or $40 in a vending machine, and people still buy it. The power of automation. One of the biggest advantages of vending machines is automation. Unlike traditional businesses, vending machines don't need employees. They don't need salaries. They don't take lunch breaks. They don't take holidays. They work 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. A vending machine owner usually just needs to restock products, collect money, and perform basic maintenance. Many operators only visit their machines once or twice a week, which means the machines are making money even when the owner is sleeping. This is why vending machines are often considered a passive income business. But the industry has evolved far beyond just snacks and drinks. The rise of smart vending machines. Today, vending machines sell far more than just soda and chips. Modern vending machines now sell fresh pizza, electronics, cosmetics, phone chargers, luxury products, and even gold bars. Yes, in some countries, you can actually buy gold from a vending machine. New machines now include touchscreens, digital payments, facial recognition, and AI inventory tracking. Some machines even send notifications to the owner when products are running low, meaning operators can manage dozens of machines from their smartphone. This technology is transforming vending machines into fully automated retail stores. The hidden challenges. But despite how simple it sounds, the vending machine business is not always easy. Operators still face several challenges. For example, finding profitable locations, negotiating with building owners, machine maintenance, product spoilage, and competition. Many building owners also demand a percentage of the profits for allowing machines on their property. This means operators must carefully choose locations that generate enough sales to remain profitable. But when done right, vending machines can become an incredibly scalable business. The big picture. The reason vending machines continue to thrive is simple. They solve one universal problem. People want fast and convenient access to products, and vending machines deliver exactly that. No lines, no waiting, no interaction. Just press a button and the product drops. It's one of the simplest retail experiences ever created. And behind that simplicity is an industry generating billions of dollars every single year, all from machines quietly sitting in the corner. So the next time you walk past the vending machine, take a moment to think about what's really happening, because that small metal box might look ordinary, but behind it lies one of the most automated and profitable business models in the world. And that's another hidden story from The Wealth Files.
And if you think vending machines are crazy, next week we're exposing the laundromat business, a $5 billion industry where the average owner clears $300,000 a year, works maybe 5 hours a week, and most of them don't even have a website. Nobody talks about this one. Make sure you're subscribed because that video drops soon.